Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious jeera rice in an instant pot. You will need 1 cup of high-quality basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, and 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. We will also use 1 1/4 cups of water or vegetable broth, plus a small amount of salt for seasoning. This method is incredibly simple and yields perfectly fluffy rice every single time. First, it is crucial to rinse your basmati rice very well under cold water. Keep rinsing until the water that drains away looks completely clear. This process helps remove extra starch, preventing the rice from becoming sticky. While not essential, you can soak the rinsed rice for about 20 minutes. This step contributes to slightly longer, more separated grains when cooked. Now turn your Instant Pot to the sauté setting and melt 2 tablespoons of ghee or add your preferred oil. Once it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and let them splutter for about 30 seconds, releasing their aroma. Stir in the rinsed basmati rice, ensuring every grain is lightly coated with that fragrant oil. Then, carefully pour in 1 1/4 cups of water or broth and half a teaspoon of salt. After adding all ingredients, cancel the sauté mode and securely close the Instant Pot lid, ensuring the sealing valve is set to the sealing position. Next, select the pressure cook or manual setting and adjust the cooking time to just 4 minutes on high pressure. Once the cooking cycle finishes, let the pressure naturally release for 10 full minutes before carefully moving the valve to venting to release any remaining steam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.